Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video we're going to be playing Beaks. I'm Bunky, this is Bugs, and this is Chestnut. And we're going to shoot some birds.
Yep, and we're gonna
deforestation.
Yep.
Climate change.
Why would we destroy the trees?
Oh, we can't.
Because we
kill.
can't.
Oh, man down.
This is a 1 in 13, $52. So in this game, you get to kill birds, and you sell them. And when you sell them, you can buy better guns, and you can kill better birds.
And kill birds.
Show me the guns. $1,250 for my hunter rifle.
That's $6.
Oh hey, here's Pat Curry. He does not know we're recording.
Wait, the hunter rifle's $1,000. Holy cow.
It's 1,250. So yeah. And
I think I got it.
I did start to lose my voice, guys. So don't worry about me. Yeah.
I'll be your narrator.
Oh, we got crossbill. Special stone bird. Whoa. Cool. It's a 1 in 3,333.
Ooh, nice.
I got albino.
I got a special crow.
Nice. He's special.
That's not nice. Ooh.
No, it's a good kind of special. The good
kind. A metallic hummingbird. Metallic. Ooh.
Special stone.
1 in 300 million. I'm just kidding. 1 in 625. Oh, there's somebody over here with your same haircut.
Listen, don't disrespect me.
I got a confetti bird.
Guys, I can get the rifle. I did some on-camera.
At the end of the video, we'll show you our best birds.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so anytime you get like a rare bird, you always keep your rarest bird, so that we can all show each other our rarest birds at the end.
Right. Dang, I can two-shot it.
I got a frost parrot.
Alright, boys, we're gonna go out to the forest. We're gonna venture.
I'm gonna go sell my inventory.
What is that Mount Beaks?
Guys, what if we don't sell for the whole video and see who makes the most money from their sales?
I just got a nuclear crossbill.
Okay, do we all have the Beakwood rifle?
I have the 100 rifle.
Use the Beakwoods, and we're gonna only use the Beakwoods and see who has the best birds by the end of the video. So we're all gonna sell our birds.
Yes, you stole my circuit bird.
So we're all gonna see who has the best birds at the end of the video.
Alright, so we can only use the Beakwood until everyone has it. Until everyone has the hunter's rifle.
No, we're only gonna use the Beakwood like for the whole video.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Oh, look at this crow I got.
Beakwood.
Alright.
I might go up to Mount Beaks.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you, Bunky.
Don't sell your birds. Don't sell your birds.
Okay.
So we can just see who makes the most money at the end of the video. And I'm also going to go up to Mount Beaks.
Yep,
Alright, so you paused the video
here.
By the way,
I saw Patrick's house.
Like the rock?
Yeah. And it had the antenna thing.
Huh. How'd you get up there? Oh, there you go. Gotta use your flying hacks. For legal purposes, that was a joke.
Yeah.
Okay. My bad, guys. The kids are screaming from my basement.
What?
For legal purposes, that was a joke.
For legal purposes,
I have a 430 gram crow, but it's also special, so it's really rare.
Get that bird.
Or probably, wait, let's see, how much is it? Oh, it's only $13.
I just got a mountain bluebird.
Oh, I'm sniping
you stole mine.
I'm sniping
them. I didn't. It's a 1 in 7 and $68. Dang. So we're gonna
I'm literally sniping these birds. So, guys, tell me, what's your rarest thing right now?
Mine is a 1 in, let me see what this one is. A 1 in 2,200, or 1 in 2,500.
That one
I got
took
a
so long
400.
to kill, and
490.
it's that one took so long to kill. It's a 1 in 8, but it's worth $180.
I know,
You
it's
know,
so good.
maybe we should get a better rifle because it took me like 20 shots to kill that.
Yeah.
Do you guys
No,
want to
what's it
all
back?
get the hunting rifle?
Well, I already
Because
have
this
it.
is not really competitive, so.
Yeah,
We're just chilling out.
Yeah, bro. This is a fun game. It's chill, too.
I'm gonna sell my
My
birds.
final boss. Cook.
I just sold my birds. How
Okay.
much is the next rifle here?
I'm just shooting at the birds. Just shooting at the birds.
I want to sell all my birds. There
Yeah,
is.
I need to get the hunter's rifle. Are you using the hunter's rifle?
Oh,
No.
it's
Okay,
some garbage.
how about you can just like wait until two of us have the hunter's rifle and the other one we shoot with it.
Oh, wait, we have to go to the first area, the Big Woods area, before
Yeah.
we get this. It's like there. Only.
Yeah, it takes me
There.
way too long to kill everything.
Yeah. Oh, I see. I know. Well, whenever I entered a new region, it literally just made everything disappear.
From
Ooh.
what?
From like the mountain area.
Oh, Golden Moon. What does
Golden
that mean?
Moon. They might be like higher chances
Got
for.
$400 just for selling all my birds.
Higher chances for like mutations.
I
Hey,
guess or it could be just that mutation. Yeah.
What's your best bird?
What?
You see Mythic! Oh!
Well, that's a person.
The crossbows are pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh no, I see a Mythic, but I can't get it!
Ooh, a special
Yeah.
rare woodpecker.
Nice. Show me the guns. Alright, I got the
Wow.
hunter's rifle. It goes 100 studs farther. So you can snipe these things.
Oh, wow. Somebody stole my pigeon by 1 damage more than me.
Dang. I got a candy cotton hummingbird.
Cotton
at this.
candy or candy cotton?
It's candy cotton. It's candy cotton. It literally says candy cotton.
That's weird. It's okay though. Maybe that's just how they roll.
I just got a golden special spotted sparrow. It's a 1 in 66,667.
Why is there not another 6 at the end?
I don't know. It's just one higher.
I'm just sniping everything from so far away.
I got a red-tailed hawk. 7,000! 7,000!
1 in 7,000 or $7,000? 1 in 7,000 or $7,000?
Yo, you're gonna have to see this. Y'all gonna have to see this.
Is it a 1 in 7,000?
That's 7,000.8. Oh my god.
That's the rarity.
1 in 333.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's not that crazy.
Wait, no. What? What do you mean?
A
Yeah,
1 in
I was on
333.
1,000. I'm going
Now
up
look at that
to
small bird over there.
Dude, this golden special spotted one is literally like blinding, and it's only $84.
Just look at my bird.
Yeah, the special just makes it really bright.
Alright, it's probably. I'm gonna save this bird. It's a 7.8.
I just sniped something from so far away. You see that watchtower?
Yeah.
I'm all the way at the shop and I sniped it. And it was at the watchtower. Oh my gosh, there's a golden guy.
Like fish. Y'all gonna have to see this.
I got a golden sparrow.
And if y'all are liking the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps.
Nuh-uh. It does not help us at all. But still
It does.
Because if you don't like and subscribe, you're gonna become one of those kids in my basement. We had 70 views on our last video and no subscribers. So you can guess how many kids there are down there. I got the hunter's
Yo.
rifle. For legal purposes, that was a joke. I got the
It
hunter's
was not a joke. Yeah, this
rifle.
is big. I seen it.
Nice. I'm killing this giant bird.
Does it do more damage? Oh, wait, it does 10.
It's 100. It's 100 more meters longer
Not a
distance.
1 and
Studs, but
about
studs and meters are a huge difference. One stud is like a lot less.
Hey,
than
wanna
a
see my big look. Hey, you monkey.
I got Time-worn Falcon. It took so many shots. Oh my!
Whoa, that is huge.
It's $1,000.
Okay, I understand why he was so excited for that.
What?
That is huge. He has a huge bird.
Bird.
Where are you guys?
Oh, hey, I see you up there.
Oh hi! Look at this. It's
His is bigger
$1,000.
than that.
Oh yeah, how big?
Pretty big. It's not a lot bigger, but it's still bigger.
This is $1,000. It's 1.3 kgs. It's not grams anymore. It's also time-worn. So it's like,
So it's kilograms, not grams.
yeah, now it is. Since
Nice.
it was heavy.
I did a hummingbird.
I just like to
Hey,
snipe things
you
from the shop.
There's so many unknown creatures.
Well, that just means that you haven't discovered it. Ooh, that one's just... Oh, I thought that was rare. Oh, there's Katakuri.
I see a mythic. I can't get it though. Too fast. It's like a red and white
Legendary,
spot.
legendary.
Oh, there's the mythic.
I leveled up.
I just hit another
Quail.
mythic.
There's quails.
Dang, this thing is hard to aim at, bro.
Yeah, this thing's moving left and right.
Wait, red and white is a mythical? Oh,
Well,
wow, there's
yeah.
a bunch of red and whites near me.
I'm killing one right now.
Bro, there's so many nearby. Bro, there's so many red and whites near me. Bro, it got away. No.
Oh my gosh, no
not
way.
Quite, not
What
quite
is-
gone. It's
what
not
is-
quite gone.
What are the chances? Please tell me what the chances. 1 in 5,000.
Nice.
Not even close to mine.
That's pretty. It's
Wow.
pretty good though.
Yeah.
What do you mean pretty good?
Mine's a 1 in 66,000.
Oh man, I couldn't get the mythical.
Dang it, it's up there. Come on, bird.
This is gonna take a lot of
Yes!
grinding.
I got a mythic.
All right,
All right,
guys.
The time is up.
Yep, the time is up. So, sorry for that cut. Nothing happened. My recording just glitched. So, now I don't think I got much stuff. I only have $520. What's your best thing, Bugs?
Are we gonna do it by, like, rarity?
Yep.
Yes.
The best thing I got was a 1 in, like, 1,700 or something. Okay,
The best thing I
there's no
got
way
is
I'm
1
beating-
in a 1 in a
I don't
5,000.
think anyone beat me. I got a 1 in
Yeah.
6,000.
I was in last place, but that is okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. See you guys in the next video. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Hey guys, I forgot to mention this in the video, but we have a Discord server now. Go check the description on our channel, and you can use that link to join it.